Selective cleaning modes give your home the right clean for every occasion with flexible cleaning modes: auto mode for general cleaning, edge mode for specific edges, and spot mode for when intensive cleaning in one area is required. Warranty service: we are official store of ECOVACS Robotics in Amazon and provide 1-year warranty for the whole machine. If you have any after-sale problems, anti-collision, it's anti-collision, anti-drop sensors and soft cushion bumpers, your robot will avoid obstacles and protect your furniture. Max mode: standard suction power is great for daily picking up pet hairs and other dirt, but max mode will double suction power to clean stubborn dirt when you need an intense deep clean ahead of special occasion. App control: Alexa Google Home app connectivity lets you realize operations like change cleaning modes and directions, double the suction power, schedule a clean anytime and anywhere, or monitor the current status of accessories and so on. Total wireless control: you can command the robot by dialoging with Alexa Google Home devices. For more information, please subscribe my channel.